Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'm going to show you how to activate assistant menu on the Samsung phone. Alright guys, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone or Samsung phone. Then you are going to scroll down until you find the accessibility setting. This is the accessibility setting. Tap on it. Then you are going to select the interaction and dexterity. It's over here. Then you can simply tap on the circle button guys to activate the assistant menu. Tap in on this assistant menu, and after you tap on the circle button, the assistant menu will be activated. And as you can see guys, this is my assistant menu, and from this assistant menu you can get quick access to some features on your Android phone or your Samsung phone. Just tap on the assistant menu, and this is the feature that we can access from the assistant menu. For example, you can take screenshot from this assistant menu. You can just tap on the screenshot option like this. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can activate the assistant menu on the Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.